Thermal Research and Development today, and we're going to install the primary pipes between the catalytic converters and the Thermal Research and Development exhaust system on the new Ford Explorer ST. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the 2.5-inch double compression clamp and the front OE band clamp on both the passenger and driver's side and drop those units out. The driver's side, you can identify it by it has the long straight torso, basically two 75-degree bends with a flex pipe in the middle. Slide it forward and index it in place. The rear part, we're going to put a 1.5-inch identification mark to bring our clamp up to. Repeat this process on the passenger side. Remember, these thermal primary pipes are only designed to work with the thermal exhaust system. They will not bolt to the original equipment or to a competitor's unit. On the thermal primary pipes, once all your clamps are tight, it's ready to go.